systems integrated, I think the opportunity grows that much more. Because we do use at Kotak Bank, not much of analytics is being used. So now with the core banking system being common, it will give us that much more opportunities to look for the right customers for the various products that we will offer. Outlook extremely positive, and as I said,
What's the growth rate?
growth rate, as I said, in terms from the asset side, if you ask me, we are looking at 20% growth on the asset book. As far as the deposits are concerned, the savings rate, savings book growth rate, if you ask me, we have been doing 40% in past. We have done 35% on the combined network last year. I would try and go beyond 40% at a combined network this year.
What's the NPS?
NPS, as I showed you, yeah, our net NPS are about 1.06%.
Any new products in the pipeline?
New products on a banking space, means it's not that it's new, but perhaps you will have many offerings on a digital platform. The way in which you do a product on a digital platform is very different. So some of those things are there, and during the year you will see one of the things that I explained here to people is opening of a savings bank account through tab. So likewise, you will have some of those variants coming out specifically on the digital media.
Focus areas?
Yes, today digital is a big focus area for me. From the fact that it not only improves the customer convenience, it also improves the efficiency, and my cost of service comes down and the customer experience goes up. So from that point of view, offering a digital platform to service the customer both for product and services is a key priority for me during this year.
How do you see tomorrow's RBI interest rate?
I mean, no guessing games. Let us wait. It is less than 24 hours away, and we will see how it comes.
You are for or not?
No, means it doesn't make a difference. Okay, whether I like it or not, it doesn't make a difference in that sense.